Welcome to the Roanoke County Board and Brief. I'm Em Portner, and we're recapping the February 24th Board of Supervisors meeting. For each item, you'll find a timestamp from the meeting if you want to hear the full discussion. The 2 p.m. meeting began with a proclamation declaring March as American Red Cross Month in the county. In new business, the board approved a resolution opposing the state referendum on the proposed constitutional amendment that would grant the General Assembly temporary authority to redraw the state's congressional districts mid-decade. Next was a public hearing to receive comments on the proposals submitted for the redevelopment of the Hollins Fire Station. No one signed up to speak during the public hearing. The board then approved the consent agenda without discussion. Included in the consent agenda was a proclamation declaring March as Multiple Sclerosis Education and Awareness Month in the county. No one signed up to speak during citizen comments, and the board approved the reports without discussion. The 2 p.m. meeting wrapped with the supervisors giving their reports. Supervisors Radford and North spoke about concerns with the collective bargaining bills in the state legislature. Supervisor North also encouraged people to vote in the upcoming elections for constitutional amendments. Supervisor Hooker echoed the encouragement to vote. Supervisor Mahoney promoted the upcoming public meetings for the FEMA floodplain map changes, and Chair Shepard thanked the fire department for their recent work on the late-night fires in the county. In the evening, the board had a joint meeting with the Planning Commission to discuss the housing study. You can find more information on the recent housing study at roanokecountyva.gov/3118. You can watch the full board meetings on Roanoke Valley Television's YouTube page. The next Roanoke County Board of Supervisors meeting will be on March 10th, beginning at 2 p.m.